Hey there, this is Steve Quillian, Wood Window Makeover. Would you like to know how to make a tenon just like this? Really quick and easy? Well, keep watching, I'll show you. First of all, you need a table saw just like this DeWalt 745 or the equivalent. Then mounted on the table saw, you need a dado blade, just like this. It's also helpful to have a sled to push your work through the blade. This is just something I made out of some scrap wood. Here's a test piece I made. You can see that the blade doesn't go halfway through. It just goes almost halfway through, leaving that middle section of the wood. I happen to want about a 1-inch tenon, so I set the fence up at about 1 inch away from the blade. Not about, but exactly. So do that. Okay, so let's put it all together. Sled in place, turn the saw on, and go. See? Wasn't that easy? Really fast. So I want this tenon to go into these mortises here. And I got my tenon just a little bit long. So I'm going to line it up there. And mark it with my pencil. Right where I need to cut it off. I'm going to flip the other end out and do the exact same thing. Then I'll just extend my mark right there on both sides. Take my Japanese handsaw that I love so much. Now you can see that that will pretty much go into place. Isn't that nice? So I hope you thought that was useful. I think it's useful to be able to make a tenon really quick. I mean, you got this little thing right there, but this is just a screen frame. There are things you can do to keep that from happening, but just for the practical nature of being able to make a tenon quick, pretty good method, right? So anyway, thanks for watching, and if this was useful to you, I hope you share it with somebody else who also might think it's useful. Tenons. Love you guys.